Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our 2018 leftover 32 Vantage. Okay, if you just came here from a 27 Vantage or a 23 Vantage video or a competitor's video, listen to the whole thing. There's a lot of cool stuff on this boat. If you just popped here, we both know I'm only going to have you for about 30 seconds, so this is a sweet boat with a great deal. Guys, you can hear the breeze in the video, you can hear the construction behind you. It's springtime in Florida, which means now or never for a boat for the summer season. And this is the 32. Ask anyone who's been on one of these and they'll tell you how great this boat is. It's backed by 350 horsepower Mercury Verados ×2. 700 horsepower at the back of the thing, all controlled by digital controls and joystick. Joystick gives you features like Skyhook. Skyhook will hold the boat in a position like an anchor, but using the motors, and it uses GPS to do that. It's got heading hold, something you're used to if you've had autopilot, and you can actually take those advantages further when you have an appropriate electronics in the dash. You hear me talk about Boston Whaler seating all the time, but when you go from a 27 to a 32, this seat gets a whole extra person wider. Super cool piece. You've got fresh water at the back. Another big step up, whether it's from other boats in this class or the 27. Incredible dive door. One of the best clip-in ladders you can get in the industry, and of course I'm standing on a fish box. This boat will do it all, yo. It really will. So, more cool stuff on this. Many of the smaller boats in these classes, both Boston Whaler and others, have a mechanical or a manual shade. Electric shade here with a T-top built for it. There's no extra tubes. This is done and done well. Of course, you got this awesome seating. And I'm sorry, I keep going on about seating, but it's so cool. Guys, it folds down back. It folds down forward. There's storage and a live well underneath. There's cell phone chargers over here. Of course, you got JL audio everywhere. It's got a premium audio package exclusive to this boat and others only with the option. But another big step up from the 27. These chairs, both helm and on the co-pilot side or the port side of the boat, is power. They go up and down on power. This one will spin completely around, give you a dinette sitting right here. And of course, there's 4 cup holders over there. You got all the room you need. At the dash on this boat, right now, all she has is the vessel view from Mercury. We'll add a screen from an electronics company that complements your taste and your experience. So whether you have a particular opinion about Raymarine, Simrad, or Garmin, we'll help put those there. Of course, I already mentioned this boat's got joystick. It's got the optional hatches on top. I love the Whaler does stuff like this. On a rough day, grab rails, holy crap, they're awesome. On the smaller Vantages, of course, it's full of cushions at the moment. We have them off the bow. But you're used to seeing this be the head. Well, on the 32, it's a small cabin. Whether the kids need to get out of the way or you actually want to use it overnight, that's what this is for. Skylight and top to avoid the claustrophobia, and you can actually get a generator and air conditioning on this boat to support it. This side's got a full sit-down wet head, storage, again a skylight, and guys, like every other Vantage, this has got an incredible bow. But come on, you gotta have some reason to come visit us. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. If you want to see the rest or actually run this boat yourself, give us a call. Talk to you soon.